What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I know it has been a while and it's about time to do another golf vlog. We're going to be playing at Sunrise Golf Course, one of the better golf course in Taiwan. As you can see, the weather, it's not the greatest, but I don't know if you can hear it, but man, it is actually super windy. This is the putting green. I think that's hole 18. It's hole number 1. It's gonna be tough today. Anyway, we're gonna have fun today. My goal today is 75. I think it's doable. With my friend Jason. Jason, hi. Jason is pretty good as well. Attaboy.
Hey.
That was a good shot. Solid drive. The ball is like down here in the fairway.
这不容易看到哎，不容易看到。Nice on.
Can make it. Go hard. Come over. Oh, too short. Oh.
漂亮。
啊。
哦，漂亮。
Oh. Bogey, bogey.
这是期待的一个。
Bogey the first hole. What a great start. Let's go.
应该算最容易的，最有机会的。One. 够不够
Jason for par.
漂亮。
3.
Nice shot. 好球啊！哎，好球哎！哦，刚好。Nice on.
Listen, Jason's a software developer. Super talented.
可悲工程师。
Coding. Jason for birdie. Can make it. Oh, I love it. I love it.
差一点。Nice part, nice part. Come on lah. Nice thing.
哦，漂亮。还在这个时中，后球都跟照实算。
好。好球。
Attaboy. Good shot.
好球，好球，好球。好球！哦，差点打到鸟啦。
Course is actually in a really good shape, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I like it. I haven't played here for like maybe 10 plus years. So far so good.
漂亮，漂亮。
球，好球！啊，撞到！哟，真的哎。
Yeah, birdie last hole, back to even par on hole 6 or 7. Let's go. He has a really good setup though. The Sim 2, the IZ6S. Love the outfit though.
哎，打不好。
漂亮。
Attaboy. Jason, big drive, big dog. Give him a birdie. Oh, what a bummer. Freaking bogeyed it.
Oh.
Attaboy. 450 par 4, but it's playing uphill as well, so you're pretty much playing like 470 par 4. And it's still super windy. Jason right here.
쳐.
Not a good shot.
어, 抓不够多哎。
只要过。
ได้ค่ะ
쳐.
The wind was blowing like at least 40 miles per hour. Hit it like right next to the car path. Hit a decent second shot. I'm like right off the green. Got Jason right here trying to birdie.
好球。可惜，今天天气超好的。
First hole's right there. It's pretty. Look at it. But yeah, shot two over the front. It's super windy. I don't know if you guys can tell. Man, it's beautiful, but it's freaking tough.
乱风啊，回旋风。好球！
哦，哎呀，这一点。
哎，好球哎！
漂亮，
漂亮。
你看。哦！哎，你看这球，你感觉要停了，还继续跑。
够，还是抓不够。好球
Big boy. Anyway, I'm right here for birdie. So it's pretty wide open. 420? No, it's like 400. But yeah, hopefully I can make the birdie. Yeah.
进！啊！
好球！
漂亮，这就漂亮。哦，你看，
Attaboy!
多漂亮！
Big dog! God!
送出去。
啊 man！ 哎，好球啊！
漂亮。
So I'm still sitting at like 2 over par. Man, it's so windy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but man, the course is quite tough. Like, it's pretty open, somewhat open, I think. But man, your second shot is just so hard to adjust. And you just don't know how far you have to hit.
Wow.
靠！
进！
Attaboy! Good birdie.
在哪里？
是吧？好球！ 好球，好球。
Sit. Should be okay. I'm hitting from all the way back there. The whites right here. It's pretty much 80 yards difference.
我靠，会撞起呀！ Get it! Get it! Get it!
Get in! Hole number 16 or 17. This hole, it's pretty open, you know. It'll be out of bounds on both sides, but you know, it's kind of, you have like a 50 yards gap. Like the wind though, it's insane. Like you can see the trees are moving constantly. And you just don't know what the wind is blowing, you know. Sometimes into the wind, sometimes back. You never know. It's a weird place. Set.
可以了啦，把那个旗子拿下来。哦呦，
漂亮！
哎哎
真的，今天
哎，
就因为这样多了4台，
太扯了！
很夸张哎，很夸张。这个能进的，为什么？我在后面看就能进啊。夸张。
Atta boy. Hole number 18. Let's see. Right there. And right there, putting for birdie. Let's see how it goes. Still 2 over par. Hopefully I can make a birdie on the last hole. Chasing for birdie. Can he make it? That way, that way.
好 ，OK。 漂亮，进了！
哦哎，
我靠！
我靠！
哦，真的很快，对啊，真的很快。
Alright, anyway, that's it. And, you know, kind of sucked today. Couldn't make a putt. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and follow my channel as well. There we go. Alright, see you guys later.